In this video, we're going to learn how to troubleshoot the electricity going from the solar panel to the battery in the solar suitcase. We're going to start by showing you a schematic of the system and understand that for solar charging to work, there has to be a complete circuit from the solar panel to the battery. The role of the charge controller represented here is to regulate the flow of electricity from the solar panel to the battery, so it actually makes the connection. If you look at the charge controller, you'll see there are three pairs of wires. The yellow and white are the solar in pair, the red and the white are the battery in pair, and the blue and the white are the load out pair. There's also four lights. These three lights tell you the state of charge of the battery, and this green light is on if the solar panel is charging the battery. So let me just quickly trace the circuit, and we'll do this in more detail later. But if we start with the solar panel, electricity goes in the red wire of the home run cable, through the solar socket, through the switch, into the charge controller, and the charge controller connects it to the battery and sends electricity down into the battery. And then the return part of the circuit is the negative wire. So after the positive goes in, the negative comes back out through the solar socket, into the charge controller, and then to the negative solar wire, into the solar socket, and then all the way back to the solar panel, completing the circuit.